Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do a vegetable dip with broiled tilapia. So it's gonna be uh, tilapia fish vegetable dip, and I got some tilapia fillet here. I already broiled in the oven. It's already cooked. I have some. I boiled some eggs. I have 5 eggs here, and the vegetable you're gonna dip with, I have green bell pepper, some cucumbers, uh, green beans, cabbage. Any vegetable can be good with this dip. Let's make the vegetable dip. 3 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon for flavor. This is water, boil water. I'd rather use boil water, not the water from the tap. About 3 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. So let's make the sauce. We got the mortar and pestle right here, so you pound this. Oh, so also put some Thai chili pepper in here. Just pound it. So smash it up, mortar and pestle. It should look like this here. And now you add the sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar, and add some salt too. A little bit of salt, not too much, maybe half a tablespoon of salt, just a little bit of salt. Put the chicken bouillon in there. Put in the fish sauce. Water. And we need lime juice. It's just put a few lime juice in there. It's depending on your taste. If you want a little sour, put more. You want, so let the taste as you go. Squeeze 1 lime juice in there. Yeah, the sauce should look like this. Alright, with tilapia here, I use spray hand here. You should wear gloves. Just break up the tilapia into pieces. Just break it up like this to pieces, and I put the sauce in. Taste the sauce a little bit, see if it okay. Just pour the sauce in there. Sometimes If I want a little bit more, tasty, I add some of this tamarind soup mix. So add a little bit of that. This got a lot of tamarind, really sour. So put maybe a tablespoon of that. Maybe need a little more of fish sauce. So add as you go. You need some more fish sauce. Just put some more fish sauce. Maybe I'll put another tablespoon of fish sauce in there. Put a little bit of water in there. Alright, very good. Put some eggs. So the ingredient you adjust as you go. Vegetable, basically. Very healthy recipe. Right? Alright, just break up the eggs. That's it. Got the top off. With the cucumber, I prefer to cut it like this, in an angle like this. Okay. Put some green beans. Any vegetable really go well with this. Some of that. And bell pepper. And you probably can just put the dip right in on top of the cabbage. This is pretty healthy. So this is a Pioneer product, broiled tilapia fish vegetable dip. So this is the final product. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up, and If you have any comment, please comment below. And thank you again for watching my channel. And please help support this channel by subscribing. And there's gonna be more cooking content to come. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.